Liquidity ratios explained. Ever wondered how financially healthy a company really is? One of the quickest ways to find out is by using liquidity ratios. Let's break them down in just 2 minutes. Liquidity ratios measure a company's ability to pay its short-term obligations using its current assets. In simple terms, can the business cover its bills right now? First up, the current ratio. It's calculated by dividing current assets by current liabilities. If the result is more than 1, the company has more assets than short-term debts, a good sign. But too high might mean the company isn't using its resources efficiently. Next, the quick ratio, also known as the asset test ratio. This one removes inventory from current assets before dividing by liabilities. Why? Because inventory takes time to sell and isn't as liquid as cash. This gives us a more accurate view of immediate financial health. Finally, the cash ratio, the most conservative measure. It only considers cash and cash equivalents, nothing else. It shows whether a company could meet short-term debts with cash on hand, right now. Most companies don't aim for a high cash ratio, but it's useful in crisis analysis. Let's recap. Current ratio, all current assets. Quick ratio, excludes inventory. Cash ratio, only cash and equivalents. Each one gives you a different level of insight into a company's liquidity. Liquidity ratios are simple, powerful tools in financial analysis. If you are a student learning finance, these ratios will give you a solid foundation for smart decision making. Want more financial concepts in under 2 minutes? Subscribe and watch our next video.